so many benefits. So if you have anybody home in guava, is very lucky person, because you have a lot of benefit. You can make the tea guava. How to make the tea guava? Today we will talk about that. That is, if you have lot of benefit, because today too much cold. So how to make the guava tea, I will teach you. And first we will talk about the benefit. First things, when we start our topic, before we start, we have to say thanks to God, because God giving every day for us new life. Because when we sleep night, we don't know what happened. So we have to say thanks to God, and God is there. So every day we have to say thanks to God. He is the great doctor, and you make your life is simple. Don't make tough life, and love yourself, love your people. Everyone have to help from the heart, and always don't keep tension. We don't need to keep tension. There is the Lord of mankind, because He is the one creator for us. So He is the giving life and food and death, everything from Him. So we are coming here with purpose. We are not coming in here without purpose in universal. So our what the purpose should be, how to love the God. If you love God, you don't have any problems. Always your life is safe, and we have to think always, my life come more great, so we can go in the heaven. That is the permanent life. This is the temporary life, where everyone is the guest. When we die, nobody knows. So must be we have to think what we have to do, and our God will become happy. God don't want anybody partner. He's the alone. He don't have any partner, and he no need wife, no need children, and he's alone. And if you are your life is very clean, and you worship God from the heart, you don't have life in you never sadness coming, you never coming any problems. So that is up to you how you want, but I said everyone have to keep the right path. So let's go. We'll start now. Now we'll start our topic. What we have to make this one our life coming the great. So you have any problems, you have skin problem, you have hair problem, you have your metabolism problem, you have hormone problem, you have bad cholesterol, you have any fatty liver, any disease you can cure from this one. And you have tumor, your body, any place, you can remove from the guava leaves. You have to make the tea, or sometime early morning you can bite the also the fresh leaves. But and how you make the tea, you can see my screen. You can see my screen, because everything is there. Okay, so this guava leaves you have to take only 6-7 pieces. Okay, then make it hot water 1 cup, and you put that 6 leaves inside. Okay, then boil it to 3 to 4 or 5 minutes. Then when finish the boiling, after you drink sip by sip, at least early morning before you drink. When you wake up, drink a glass of water. Then you go toilet and come fresh. Then come back. Then you have to drink this one. So if you drink this one, you don't have acidic, you don't have stress, don't have any laziness, don't have body pain, don't have sadness. Where you get the fresh when you drink. You can drink morning and evening 2 times. And then you have hair problem also, you can solve these problems. You have dry coming or white coming, you can make paste. This one, make paste, and you put your head 1 hour. Then you can normal water, you can wash it. If you make like this every day, like 1 month, you see your hair how is growing, coming. They're beautiful. Even you can make the face mask also. You see your face coming beautiful. You can, and this is, you can use the so many kind of disease. You can use this the guava leaves. So this is the nature from the God. So if you do this one, and always you can make the tea. Always you can make the tea. This one guava leaves tea, and this is very easy. You can make this one. And any problems you have, this one you have, even you have headache, you have even your stomach any problems or acidity, also you can use this one. And constipation, you have constipation, this one also you can use this one. You have blood, your blood circulation, if you drink, your blood circulation coming, your metabolism growing, your hormone growing, and a lot of benefits are this one. And this one easy, you can find any place you can find. So if you try this one, and this is the great things, any place, this you can get the fresh. Or if you can eat fresh also every day morning, you can eat and 3 or 4 leaves, you can eat, bite it nicely, and then you can drink warm water. And if you cannot drink, you just make any guava leaves tea. Easy you can make. And our important topic, what I say, if you are will take any chemical medicine, then our side effect come. If you use the nature, you don't have any problem. First, we have to take our lifestyle, we have to make in with the nature. How is we have to make our diet, what we eating, and you eating anything, you should be eat with the nature. If you are eating the food by nature, you are coming any disease. You can cure any disease. I'm always telling, when you wake up, drink water. When you are eating, before eating, you have to eat antioxidant. And if you eat antioxidant, you don't have problem. Antibiotic, you don't have, you are getting everything. There is antioxidant, antibiotic, and everything, antioxidant. You are getting the fresh oxygen. You don't have oxygen problem. Your blood coming clean. So this everything where we getting? We getting in the fruits and the vegetables. So if your life will keep this one, you don't have any problem. And if you eat this one, then you are getting nitric oxide. Nitric oxide coming from the fruit and the vegetable. But this one you are getting, but getting how you getting? That is from you. I tell how you take the breath. If you when you are sleeping, you must be take the breath from the nose, not from the mouth. So these things you my every video I am telling. If you make your life with the nature, walk with the nature, make meditation, and keep yourself always smiling. No need to keep yourself happy. Because if you keep your life in meditation, exercise, workout, even morning you have 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you must be do meditation. If you make meditation, you don't have any problem. Your body is always alkaline. Your pH level is always strong, and your immunity is strong. Your healing power is strong. Everything is strong. You are never getting any problem. Your family is happy. If your husband also happy, your wife also happy, because you are always nature. You don't have any disease. You can enjoy your life, but with God, you always have to afraid, not making anything wrong. Our God come anger. Okay, always keep life happy and help others. If you are help others, you feel very happy. You feel very happy. If you feel very happy, you don't have any problem. So today, I said, if you have any problems, please you can use this one, the guava leaves. So we'll talk next time about next topic, and take care, and please like and share my video and YouTube channel with your family, with your friends, and I will bring for you next video also for good how can we finish our body to disease, and how to come be healthy with the nature. You want to healthy, you should be with the nature. You don't want healthy, this is up to you. So thank you very much.